All right, good people. So, all tests have been completed according to the inspectors. I am supposed to be at a minimum of 9 PSI, and I far exceeded that number because I don't think the bare minimum is good enough. So, that is a day in the life with me at work. You never know what curveballs are going to be thrown your way as far as inspections due to the local fire marshal. But hey, you got to do what you got to do. You don't want them on your back. I don't want them on my back, and I try to be good stewards over what I do. But that's a day in the life. So if you're new to my videos, I want to thank you. I also want to ask that you share with someone that's not, to get them subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like my videos. So until the next one, y'all be blessed. And I'll hit you with another one, just another day in the life. Peace.